So at KUTAVAR, we've been working with Hypertherm for around about 15 years. And a common question that's often asked when customers approach us is what power source is going to suit me? Within the standard air plasma range, they got 5 different variants. They got the 45 XP, they got the 65, the 85, the 105 and the 125. Each unit has its own pierce capacity, ranging from the 45, which has a 12mm pierce capacity on mild steel, with the 65 having a 16mm pierce capacity, the PowerMax 85 having a 20mm pierce capacity, the PowerMax 105 having a 22mm pierce capacity, and the 125 having a 25mm. The MaxPro 200 plasma is a unit that sits in between the standard air plasma and the XPR systems, the high definition systems. It has a pierce capacity of 32mm on mild steel and an edge cut of around about 50mm. This unit has 3 different amperage controls. It has the 50 amps, the 130 and the 200. So anything from 0.5 of a mil right through to 32mm, this unit can cover. Hypertherm offer a high definition range called the XPR. We work very closely with the XPR systems on our cutting tables. And the beauty about what they offer is an extremely high cut quality and consistency. They come in 3 variants, the XPR 170, the XPR 300 and now the XPR 460. Each machine has its own pierce capacity on mild steel, stainless and aluminium. They cut with mixed gases, creating a better cut quality throughout every type of material that you're looking to work with. So here at KUTAVAR, in collaboration with Hypertherm, we got a unit that can suit your needs. So please get in contact with us so we can run through your requirements and find a plasma that best suits your needs.